The insurance company tried to settle the death of my motorcycle riding client's case for $50,000. Let's see what the case really settled for. Hi, my name is Paul Hernandez, trial attorney here at Kalfus and Nachman, litigating cases across Virginia and North Carolina. My client was riding his motorcycle down the road, minding his own business. The defendant driver was coming from a stop sign from his right and failed to see that my motorcycle rider was lawfully operating his motorcycle in his own lane. The defendant pulled from the stop sign and my client was faced with an emergency situation. He laid his bike down, tried to put that bike between him and the negligent operator of that motor vehicle. Sadly, the crash was too intense and the motorcycle rider died right there in the middle of the street from his injuries. The insurance company for the owner of that car indicated they had a $50,000 policy and offered the $50,000 to settle the case. I insisted that that driver of the car contribute his own money to the settlement. So I sent an affidavit to the defendant to determine if there was any other coverage to apply to the case. I next got a call from the insurance adjuster, and he called and told me that their driver could not sign the affidavit because they found a second policy of insurance for $250,000. I then sent a new affidavit to that person that also took into consideration that additional coverage. And again, I got a message back that the defendant cannot sign the affidavit because miraculously, they found a third policy, and this policy was for $1 million. You add up all the insurance coverage, and now there is $1.3 million in coverage. I don't need to tell you how much the case settled for. I think you know already. I am convinced that the insurance companies were trying to hide those additional insurance policies and try to make my client's family settle the case for only $50,000. It wasn't until I forced the defendant to sign an affidavit under oath under penalty of perjury that surprisingly these additional policies were found. It actually surprises me that more attorneys do not use this process to ferret out additional policies. You may be wondering why I'm telling you this. I'm telling you this because insurance companies hide policies every single day. So what I want you to do is to pick up the phone and call me, Paul Hernandez, attorney at Kalfus and Nachman. The number is 888-HURT-LINE. That number again, 888-487-8546. Thanks for watching.